Jones for smoking cigars, by the way. But anyway, go ahead.
She's like, why are you doing it?
Okay.
That's
So yeah, let's go back to the terrain. So the terrain is, so just because you have a genetic propensity to develop breast cancer does not mean you will develop it. You can change, because your genes are expressed by what they're exposed to. So if you change the exposure and you have the gene, like for instance, why is it that twins, one will develop diabetes and one won't? But they found it's the environment, what they're exposing themselves to. So if you sit here, you watch TV, you eat fast foods, process, smoke, don't exercise, you will get diabetes and you're overweight. The other twin has the same genes and it is not expressed because they work out, they are plant-based, they don't smoke, they don't drink. So just because you get a gene doesn't mean it has to be expressed, but your environment will cause things to be expressed. So that's when you go back with nature versus nurture. There are some things that you don't have to follow the steps of the genes. You may have the gene and you can pass it on, but that doesn't mean you actually are going to get it. So that's where prevention comes in, where, follow get the mammogram. If you know your parents have colon cancer, get the colon screenings. They put you to sleep. You don't feel anything.
and you feel so light and airy afterwards, y'all.
Yeah, it's the best sleep you've ever had.
It's the best.
Yeah. They put you out. If you have all these other, get the screenings, because prevention is then if you come at an early point in your chemotherapy or treatment, then your functional medicine and your integrative will work a lot better because they're changing the environment and the cancer has not invaded into metastasis. But once it gets out of the place and is looking all over your body and it's all the other places, your body gets overwhelmed. So then now you're trying to take out all the soil, which is the functional medicine, and change what you're eating. Will it work then?
So I need you to go back. I need you to tell us what functional medicine is, what is integrative medicine is, because a lot of us aren't familiar with those terms.
Okay. So functional medicine, integrative, is looking at the root cause of why things happen in sicknesses, not just treating high blood pressure, going back and looking at your body and looking at your brain, looking at your gut, looking at your heart, and see what processes are going on that are out of order, whether it's too much inflammation, what is it that you're eating that's causing this? What actually is going on, and treating that as opposed to just giving you medicine. So
that's what you do.
And that's what I do. Right.
And does it well, y'all. I'm telling you, please. Do you have her link on?
Yeah. What is integrative? What's integrative medicine?